Good morning, baby Nitro. Good morning. Today is the day, baby. Yes. Kilalanin mo na yung mga lolo at lola mo. Tsaka si Great Lola. Yes, Great Grandma. Tapos ma-meet mo rin si Tita Halle, si Tito Jack, Tita Brooke, yeah, Tito Adam, Tita Amby. Marami mong tita, tsaka marami ka ring pinsan, baby Nitro. Yes, marami kang pinsan. Si Romeo, si Nyla, si Mason, Isabel, Luca. Marami mong pinsan, baby no. Si Keanu. Excited ka ba? Or excited mo lang makuha yung lens cap?
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa pang Dwantro Fam. Starring Pabibo, si Pabibe at Pabebe. Natutulog pa. Mami Shanda, it's time to wake up. Bakit ka natutulog dito sa sahig? Ano ka ba? Alright, Dwantro Fam, so today's our last day in quarantine. In fact, we leave today. We leave this morning. Ngayon na. Okay, so babay muna tayo sa magandang view na to. Pero mas magiging maganda ang mga adventures namin kasama ang family ko sa Brisbane. So tingnan nyo, nag-impake na kami. Ako din, nandun yung bag ko. And then these bags too, camera bag. I'm just gonna put my shoes on and we are gonna get out of here. Alright, Dwantro Fam, we are ready to rock and roll, aren't we, baby Nitro? Yes, we are! Woohoo! So we are heading off to Cairns Airport to fly to Brisbane Airport ngayon. Ayan, nag-impake na po. Tapos na lahat. Tapos na tayo. Alis na tayo, bebe. May pacifier siya. We call it a dummy in Australia. Dummy ang tawag nito dito sa Australia. Okay guys, you ready? Mami Shanta? Are you ready, bebe? Shanta?
Hindi pa.
Anong kulang?
Hindi, ready.
Ready ka na? Okay, sige. Alright guys, we are out of here. Let's go! Okay, Dwantro Fam, iPhone muna tayo ngayon. Kasi grabe, sobrang dami akong bit-bit eh. Baby bag, camera bag, yung yung luggage ko. Si Mami Shanta, meron siyang handbag, tsaka dalawang suitcase. So, dami eh. Isang flight na lang, tapos nasa tahanan na tayo.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Kaya mo yan. Okay, goodbye room 701. Let's go. Alright guys, malapit na ang kalayaan. Hey baby Nitro. Hey guys, how you doing? Good, I'm good. We are, at last. They gave us a room with a view, so can't complain. Yeah. Oh, you ready, Sam? Hindi ka dito. Dami ito easy. Penis. There we go. Ay, pinakit ni Yes. May Pilipino dito.
Nag-quarantine din po kayo?
Oo. Yan talaga. Freedom at last na.
Yung wife ko, big fan ng
Ay, talaga?
vlog niyo.
Anong pangalan?
Charlotte.
Charlotte. Thank you, Charlotte. We go to the police. Where are they? Nandun. Okay. Hey guys. Freedom at last.
Room number?
701. Alright, we are here in the taxi. Aren't we? Yes, we are. Going to the airport. Oh, feels good, doesn't it? It's good to be back. Look at this. Beautiful, isn't it?
Getting plenty of attention there, Nitro.
Alright, we're here at the airport. Feels so weird not wearing a mask outside, eh? So heading home. Yep. Cheers, mate. Thanks.
Thank you.
Alright, have a good one.
Welcome back to Australia.
Thank you.
Hello, from Dumaguete.
We're free. We're in the airport now. Walang mask. You're so quiet, aren't you, Nitro? You're not saying anything. No, you're so quiet. You're so tahimik, bibi, no? Saan ka ngayon? Oh, saan ka? Tumitingin ka sa mga kapaligiran mo, ano? Oh, tulog na siya. Tulog na siya. Kawawa naman. Tulog na. Tulog na agad ang baby. Alright guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng airport. Naka-check-in na kami. Nakuha na nila yung bag namin. Baby Nitro is nice and content. Doesn't know where he is. Ayun. So, ha? Oh no, it's like 10 kilos. Kaya mo pa? Oh, sasakay na tayo ng airplano after 2 hours. 2 hours pa siya. So, kain muna tayo ng mga Australian food, Shanta. Sige na, kain na.
Nagsawa na ako.
Nagsawa ka na. Baby, we're gonna see Grandma. We're gonna see Grandma and Grandpa.
Grandma.
And great-grandma. And all your titas, titos, pinsan.
And cousins, yes.
Yes. Are you excited, Mommy?
Yes.
This is Nitro's first time seeing other people without wearing masks. Baby Nitro. So we're here in the waiting area now, just waiting for our flight. Ayun, gates 14 to 16. Maganda tong airport na to kasi walang tao, di ba, Mami Shanta?
Bakit ano tayo?
Hey, Grandma.
How sweet. Oh, my little dog. I can't believe you're here. Oh, my gosh. Hello, darling. Oh, you're great. Lola loves you. Oh, so much.
You're shaking, Grandma.
It's fun. It's crazy. It's great. Lola. That's a great Lola. Do you have my voice?
It's because Grandma is
He
crying.
hasn't seen people without masks talking to him, so...
It's great. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright.
Talk to each other.
He cried because Grandma cried.
Yeah, because when I fake cry, he always cries.
Yeah.
Yes. It's alright. It's okay.
Touching Grandma.
In person, does he?
You beautiful boy. You are a beautiful boy.
You're wearing the Dwantro Fam.
Yeah, I know. That's the first thing I noticed. The shirt.
It's winning.
Training sila. We're going.
Great grandma and your grandma. Where's the dimple? Did you notice the thing?
Yeah, we did. Yeah. We're in the Dwantro merch.
Everybody, lay down. Video. Which reminds
This is my grandma and Nitro's great grandma. Here we got 4 generations right here,
me 1.5 years older.
It's okay. I think it's.
Come here, son.
I think it's.
Baby. Hey. He might be hungry and tired, yeah.
Come on, let's walk.
It's okay, baby. It's alright. It's okay. My stranger anxiety ata si Baby Nitro. Kaya ano. Maputi yung mga buhok nila. Hindi siya sanay ata sa puting buhok. At saka hindi siya sanay sa ibang tao. Baby, hey, it's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. Okay, you're going to great grandma.
Come here, sweetheart. Come to Great Lola.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, baby.
darling.
Oh, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, that's right. Talk to him, Rolly. All right, one shot. Here you go. Mommy's got a trick. Grandma knows a trick that I don't know. All right, we're in the car now. We're going home. Going to Mum and Dad's house. Is that where we're going, Mum?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes,
All
yes.
right.
And we're never letting you go. Yes, you're here to stay. We love to see me. I love you so much.
What do we call him in our videos, Grandma?
Puppy bear? Yes. that's what Shada said.
Yes, that's right. Puppy bear. Yes.
The puppy bear. Little puppy bear. Puppy bear. And little puppy bear. Where's Lola's puppy bear? Yeah.
All right, it is raining. Umuulan ngayon dito sa Brisbane. Okay, Dwantro Fam, dito na tayo sa bahay ng Mama at Papa. You know, Grandma.
Darling.
We made it. Are you happy we're here?
Oh, yes, sweetheart. Yes, yes. I'm just going to watch the
What? The chicken? Hey, Shanta. Hui. Baby Nitro. Hello, baby. Hello. You're in the car seat. Hey. Hello, Halle.
Just stay right there. You stay right there.
Hello, Halle.
You're making him cry.
Nitro. Hey. Hello, Halle.
You're making him cry.
You're tall now, Halle. Freaking hell. Look how tall you are. You're almost as tall as me. Freaking hell.
Cry.
Halle's a big kid now. Hallie's a teenager now. Freaking hell.
I know. Look, I got my socks wet for you.
Halle, come say hello to your nephew, man.
No.
Your pamangkin.
Oh, he's crying.
Is he? Hey, baby. Hello. Hey.
Can I take him out?
Dad's here. It's Grandpa. Oh, hello, Romeo. Hello, Romeo. Hello.
Who's this, Romeo?
Can you do it, Halle? You know how to do it? This bloody thing's in the way. We're gonna take it out. All right. Here's Nitro. He's scared of people, eh? Baby Nitro. Hey. You right? Huh?
Chicken.
Grandpa's got you.
Little chicken, look. Look, little chicken. Look there. Look there. Chicken. Hello, chicken. Little chicken, see, look. A little chicken. Oh, that's a good chicken. You're going to have some KFC tonight.
You stop crying, it's a miracle.
See his grandpa. Your grandpa's okay.
See the chicken?
Look, I look a bit like Daddy. Daddy. Oh, look at the chicken. The little chicken.
That's a chicken, Nitro. That's a chicken. He's gonna cry again. Hey, baby, it's alright. That's it, you cuddle Grandpa. Grandpa make you feel better. Go, Romeo, throw it in the hoop, throw it. Oh! He calmed down for a bit until Halle started talking to me.
Everybody was looking at us at the airport, weren't they?
Wearing the same shirt. Halle, where's your Dwantro shirt?
That's my pajama shirt.
So, pinaayos ng nanay ko ang kwarto na to. Ito siya. Kwarto ni Baby Nitro habang nandito kami sa Australia. Ayun. It's okay! It's okay! It's okay, baby. That's a big cot, man. Friggin' hell. That's huge. Hey, baby.
I'll change his clothes.
Change his clothes.
Yeah, maybe he's...
This is our room, Shanta. Dito tayo. Ayan, sa wakas, we have separate rooms. We don't have to sleep in the same room as the baby anymore. Ito po siya yung kwarto namin habang nandito kami sa Australia. So, itong office desk na to, akin to actually. Binili ko to dati pa. Iniwan ko na lang dito sa bahay ni na Mama at Papa. Yeah. So, yung tawag ko kay Mama and Papa ko dito, Mom and Dad. Ayan, Mom, M-U-M. Yan, ganon ang spelling dito sa Australia. Are you okay? You're a bit freaked out, aren't you?
His nappy is super full.
Oh, is it? Alright, we'll
Yeah,
change your bum.
super full.
Okay, we'll change your bum. Maybe that'll make you feel better, huh? It's okay. It's okay. That's Nyla. That's Nyla. Oh, that's the matter. Oh, you're okay now, aren't you, boy?
Finish Phil.
Hey, Nitro, you feel better?
She wants
He's gonna cry again.
Well, does Nyla keep kissing everyone, does she?
She likes to kiss you.
That's Nitro and Nyla.
boy.
Nitro. Nitro and Nyla. Nyla and Nitro. That's who you were named after.
Is she
You
doing okay?
named after your cousin. Oh, now Nyla's crying. You can't get them both behaving at the same time, hey? Are you okay? It's Auntie Halle. It's alright, it's okay. No, you're not ready yet. You're not ready yet. Oh, there you go. You warmed up to Auntie Halle, didn't you? Yes, you did.
Baby.
Yes. Okay ka na, baby? Gusto mo si Auntie Halle?
So I'm his
Yeah.
favorite auntie.
Si Tita Halle. Yes.
He's so fat.
Oh, yes.
Gross.
Basta binigyan siya ng pagkain, wala na siyang pakialam sa tao. Ayan. Kung sinong nakawag sa kanya. Di ba, baby? Yes.
Hi, Nyla.
Unwrap his fingers.
This is your cousin, right? Nyla. This is your cousin, Nyla. Yes.
Nitro.
Say hello. Hello, Nyla.
I think he likes the camera.
Are you getting used to people now? Huh? You getting used to people? Alright, Dwantro Fam, maraming salamat sa panunood sa video na to. Ayan, papatulogan ko si Nitro. At ngayon naman, pasensya na kayo, medyo jet lag ako ngayon. Papashoutout po natin yung mga Golden Dwantro Fam natin. Ito sila, ayan. Thome TV, yun yung pinakabago nating Golden Dwantro Fam. The Aussie and his wife, Leah Garvey, and Leslie Channel. The Ramsey family, Shane Ransborg, Paul T, Mary J. Lee, Angel Mags, DXMT, Halle and Ashley Sisters, Girly Pasigan, Kiko Arps, Chita Almira, Xavier's Family Vlogs, Da Ramis, Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Tai Chi's Adventures, Nati Von Tien, Tosca Acorda, and Jocelyn Natividad. At wag na natin kalimutan ang ating mga certified Dwantro Fam. Ito sila. Ayan, magpangalan nila nasa screen ngayon. Ayun, maraming salamat sa suporta nyo. So medyo natatakot pa din si Nitro sa pamilya ko. Kasi nga hindi siya sanay sa tao, di ba? Sanay lang siya na dalawa lang kami ni Shanta. So parang nagwala siya dahil maraming tao. Parang nabiglaan siya. Pero bukas tingnan natin, baka maging okay na siya. Ayun. Okay, maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kita sa sunod na video ng Dwantro. Bye for now.
Through eternity, go wherever, wherever. You and I through whatever weather.
You're hotter than the sunshine in Manila.